that harshly rejecting person is you. That's definitely a part of the other person, the part of being rejecting towards others. It's definitely a part of other people, right? But it's not the whole of them. That's also definitely a part of you too. Making mistakes, being a douchebag on purpose at times, or acting out unconsciously is a part of every single human being on this planet. We all have shadows. This video is about claiming the fact that the harshly rejecting part of this man or that woman is also an intrinsic part of yourself. You may not be as douchebaggy as him or her. You may have healed and integrated that unconsciousness to a great extent and perhaps even transformed that part of you to its positive opposite. Nevertheless, it is still the same part in essence. Nevertheless, transformed or not to its opposite, to its positive opposite, it's still the same part in essence. We all have rejecting parts, hateful parts, angry parts, sad parts, childlike parts. We all have these parts. If not that, then you're definitely encountering an old child part of yourself in the other person. Resisting and condemning its existence is like saying you never had that part to begin with. Resisting the part in the other person, it's like resisting and condemning the existence of the same part in yourself. Attacking others, judging others psychologically is equivalent to attacking and judging yourself, because at the end of the day, if you sit down and contemplate about it, you will realize that you yourself have that part. You are judgmental at times, consciously or unconsciously. You cannot control your thoughts 100% all the time, right? And if you're not, in the majority of the times, a judgmental person, as an example, you have been judgmental at some point in your life. And even if that part is transformed right now into its positive opposite, and you have fixed it to a great extent, it can still come up here and there, consciously or unconsciously. So the point here is that you have all the parts that you hate in others, you have them in yourself still, to some degree, to some greater degree, and some parts are to a lesser degree, of course, compared to others. But we all have the same parts, the same negative emotions and positive emotions and child parts. We all have judgmental parts, hateful parts, again, fearful parts. And so again, to reiterate, resisting and condemning its existence, the existence of these parts in others, is like saying you are living in an imaginary reality in which you never ever had that part to begin with. You never had, for example, the capacity to be ruthless or cruel, which is a possibility in every single human being, to be cruel, to be ruthless, to be aggressive. It's a possibility in every single person, man or woman. And yeah, so resisting and condemning these parts in others is like saying I never had the possibility to have these parts, which is totally not true. We all have the possibility to be anything that we can be, consciously or unconsciously. And therefore, this means if you are condemning others, judging others, it means you hate a part of yourself. The part that you have in yourself as well. The part influences the whole. The part influences the whole. This means lack of love towards the part in other people means lack of love towards the part in yourself. Since the part influences the whole, all parts of yourself influence the whole of the self. That means lack of love towards one part of yourself is lack of overall self-love to an extent. So if you're judging someone in front of you for whatever reason, even if they're acting extremely crazy, if they're acting extremely aggressive, extremely cruel, in any shape or form, if you judge them in any way, that means you are judging the possibility in yourself, the possibility of that part in yourself, because it is a possibility in yourself as well. And I'm not saying here you should be ruthless and cruel, and express that possibility. No, what I'm saying is, in a weird way, it's the complete opposite. If you accept that part in others, you integrate it in yourself and you can control it. If you don't accept it, you judge it. That means you judge it in yourself. It stays suppressed and it comes up unconsciously. You see what I mean here, guys? It's a little bit subtle. If I judge you for being cruel and ruthless and aggressive, that means I hate and I suppress that part in myself. This is something that I don't like, a behavior that I don't like. But if I see that cruel behavior in you, well, I can still judge it to some extent, but at the same time, not in a very hateful way, in an accepting way. I just acknowledge that you're being stupid, but not hating on you completely or wishing you death or something bad. In a way, I'm accepting in this way that aggressive part in you, but in myself as well, making it conscious in myself, accepting it and integrating it so that it doesn't come up unconsciously and I have control over it. What I mean here is what you suppress, what you judge in others, you suppress in yourself, and what you suppress in yourself will become or will be uncontrollable, and it will manifest in the most cruel of ways and the most aggressive, the most uncontrollable of ways. Learn to notice that, quote unquote, it's okay for the other person to be this way, that way. In fact, it's not only okay, it's totally and absolutely normal. It's as normal as you expressing that same disrespectful part of yourself at times, consciously or unconsciously. We all lied at certain points in our lives, in childhood especially, and probably we will lie again, big or small lies. Even some lies to defend yourself. Sometimes your life is in danger and you need to lie. I'm not advocating or advising lying. I'm all against lying and I'm all about truth in relationships everywhere. But let's just say you are forced to lie to save a family member's life, for example, or your life. Well, what if you need to save your life with a lie? And if you don't lie, you won't be able to get yourself out of a specific situation. So this is what I'm talking about here. But in general, guys, I advise against any small white lies, big lies, medium lies, especially in your closest relationships, friendships, romantic relationships. I advocate zero lying in those kinds of relationships. So what I'm talking about here, I'm giving an example in extreme cases, life-threatening situations. For example, again, we all lied at certain points in our lives and probably we will lie again, big or small ways. We all latched out, rejected others harshly, been disrespectful or condescending towards someone else at some point, and we probably will again in the future, be it consciously or unconsciously. It'll happen at some point again, right? Of course, you can heal a lot to the extent to which the possibility is minimal or minimized, or transform these aspects to become extremely positive. But again, it all starts from accepting the behavior in others, acknowledging it. It doesn't mean promoting it or encouraging it, just acknowledging it without resisting its possibility, because it is a possibility for in existence in this universe, on this planet, that others will be aggressive, cruel, stupid, act silly, or hurt other people in front of you. And just accepting the possibility of evil in you will allow you to integrate evil in yourself and make it conscious and controllable. This is the point here. But nevertheless, notice that transforming these aspects to their positive opposite does not mean that the negative aspect that got transformed ceased to exist completely as a humanly possibility or as a humanly possible form of self-expression. This world is based on duality. Your inner world as well. You can become expressive of purely positive things. You can become close to Buddha-like or prophet-like in your expression. It is totally possible. You can become enlightened. But that doesn't mean you become quote-unquote incapable of expressing the opposite negative. Of course, if you transform a negative, such as harshly rejecting others, into a conscious positive expression, as in rejecting people in a nice and polite way, this doesn't mean that there will never be a day in which you won't be like in a very bad mood, and you will never be in a bad mood anymore, and you will always be nice to everybody at all times, consciously and unconsciously. This doesn't mean also to tolerate disrespect. Notice that the other person is you, and you are the other person. Both human beings. Both have the capacity to express unconsciousness. The goal is to see yourself or the possibility of your old and future selves in others. We tend to only look up to people who are better than us in some aspects. The issue is that when we self-develop, we look back at our old selves in despise and hate. See that others can express your old or future selves, be it positive or negative expressions. Now, notice that there is a level of common ground, a feeling of connection, of sameness and oneness in the fact that we all have the capacity to express the full range of human expression. Feel that everyone is one in this way, that everyone is you. From this level of perception, there is no such thing as a harsh rejection from a man or a woman. From this level of perception, he or she is expressing what a human being is capable of expressing. He or she is expressing the full range of human potential and possibility. The mind is a universe in and of itself. You can think anything, imagine anything, say anything you want. You can create and imagine worlds with your mind. This is what I'm talking about here. In this neutral perception, there is no such a thing as quote-unquote she rejected me for a date or he rejected me for an opportunity or whatever. There's just quote-unquote she's talking, saying stuff to me, just like I say stuff to her or anybody else. And quote-unquote he or she is saying things that I am capable of saying, have said, or may and do have the possibility to say to somebody else in the future, again conscious or unconscious. Me and her are one and the same. We have the same level of possibilities when it comes to human expression. Me and them or him or her are the same, are one. It's not a rejection. It's not cruel. It's just a human expression, a possibility in the mind. He or she is expressing a child part of himself or herself, which is most likely also a part of oneself or myself. These child parts are identical. It's her talking to you. It's a child part of her talking to you. It's a child part of you talking to you. It's just you talking to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I appreciate that you're tuning into the journey every weekend, watching these videos and absorbing all these powerful insights. If you like the video, you could share it with someone in need or a friend, a family member who could benefit a lot from it. If you would like to accelerate your healing journey, fix the most stubborn of your emotional blockages and mindset, mental blockages, limiting beliefs, etc., attachment style issues, low self-esteem, depression, anxiety, any kind of emotional or mental blockage that you're experiencing right now in business and dating, that you have tried so many things to fix but you couldn't fix it, check out in the description below my Peak Transformation membership. In the membership, you will have access to different kinds of healing courses. So there will be shadow work courses, shamanic healing and psycho-shamanic healing courses, as well as energy healing courses. Like the video, share, comment, and see you next weekend, guys.